Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. Here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness, enable or disable dark mode, and eye comfort mode. Next we can change text size and weight, display size, sleep time between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, color mode and temperature, screen resolution between smart, high and low, screen refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard. We can manage full screen display for apps, height notch, enable or disable carrier name, and network speed. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.